Downtown Miami, so beautiful here. Okay, Max, welcome to Miami, Florida.
Thank you. Nice and warm here.
Yelp Summit 2026. What are your expectations this year?
Just being able to connect, talk about AI and the future, how exciting it is. We've been nominated for 3 different awards, which is a really big deal. And of course, the biggest one being potentially Partner of the Year. So very excited to kind of see what happens with that. One of the things I'm really looking forward to is just collaborating with the other partners and discussing in the breakout sessions different issues that they're facing, what's working for them, what's not working for them, different pain points, and also just being together as a collective community and trying to help small businesses perform better.
Max, how's it going so far? What did you learn?
Fantastic. One of the things that it's been a really big topic of conversation, really all the breakout sessions, especially the main speeches thus far, is AI is key as we're seeing in the marketplace, and Yelp is doing a fantastic job of building that out on their end and also working with the partners to then work with the clients to implement all these new changes in the ecosphere.
Yes, Yelp has invested in AI, and I think what makes it different this year, what really blew me away, is how they're leveraging it. Because AI needs data, and Yelp has a unique set of data that they've aggregated for over a decade now that specifies what each business is very good at. And they got it through user reviews, they got it through businesses themselves, but the most trusted source, let's all admit it, is those reviews that are impossibly hard to fake. And they're very specific. Yelpers are known to be extremely specific. They'll go to a restaurant and they'll critique a certain type of steak that they ate, or somebody's going to give a long-winded explanation of what service they received. It's all about excitement and emotion, but through those excitement and emotion, data comes out.
100%.
So now, through this innovative approach, Yelp put the AI, gave it all this data, and you can come in and say which restaurant offers beef strogans. And no ChatGPT cannot do this, Grok cannot do this. They'll give you wrong information because they simply don't have it. Yelp does. It will tell you specifics, and it will add on to it, such as they will also give you a egg-free option, or if you want gluten-free, because it has majority of the data baked in. And that's also great for home services. If you want something very specific done in your house, not just a HVAC company, but you want the ducts to be cleaned or something like that, and you want an expert, somebody that specializes in that, Yelp can recommend that business. And I think that's going to be very revolutionary. I think for maybe last 10 years, Yelp has been very much known for what it is, which is kind of like a search engine for businesses. But now that you take the power of AI and apply that to it, you can search way more efficiently. Another thing we've been utilizing a lot, they've invested in opening up that data to companies like ours.
Definitely.
And we've utilized the API connection to pull data out, to control the ads more efficiently. So there's a much, much greater competitive edge for business that actually hires somebody that has these tools. And I think we're very unique. We have the only set of tools out of 600 plus partners that build something like this, and hopefully Yelp will recognize for that.
I hope so.
And we win an award.
That's also very exciting.
It's new. It's new.
And so many of these companies are not investing their resources and time in it, but we are. And it's kind of almost like a pioneer is kind of setting the course. I think Yelp is looking to us specifically to kind of figure out what are the next problems that need to be solved.
Yeah, and just like Yelp utilized data and AI, we also have data. We've been able to actually collecting over the last few years. When they open API, we're one of the very first to connect to it and pulling data out, user interactions, conversations, preferences, and we've been tracking which time of day works, which day of the week works, weather patterns. All this data is all being used to optimize ads, which was absolutely impossible before. And we have our own AI systems in place that are superhuman in a sense and can do a lot more than a human can. And I'm really excited of the opportunity for anybody starting out now. I remember I started working on Yelp many years ago, and it was very simplistic. I think that was kind of the beauty of it, in a sense that
DIY, as they mentioned in one of the talks.
yeah, you just turn on the ads, you set it and forget it. The problem was, as there are more and more users in the beginning, when you didn't compete with much people, it was easy. It was easy. You just set the budget and you were getting a bunch of leads. But then more and more businesses figured out Yelp is an incredible platform to get like highly motivated, very focused leads. But now it's diluted with hundreds of competitors. And if everybody's doing the same thing, you cannot stand out anymore. And then it kind of got also complicated with time. With all these new tools that are available, most people, even the other agencies, don't even know. They ask, how many people use layered campaigns? We're one of the only ones in the room that raised their hand. They don't even know that the tools exist because they're very complicated. I think what sets us apart, we're a technical company more than we're a sales company. We're not best at sales. That's not our focus. We're not trying to sell anybody a dream. We're there to achieve a job, which is get you to the most amount of leads and help you convert them. And I think that our pivot towards, again, simplifying it, but using all these tools, that's going to be a huge game changer too. So the good old times are coming back, where you can sort of set it and forget it, but you'll have a competitive advantage because whoever works with us will only be the one tapping. So that pool of competitors is limited one more time. And it's not my intention to sell this to absolutely everyone. We're keeping our reins as tight as possible. I think the focus is to promote the best businesses out there, because the worst thing you can do is promote a bad business. I've learned this in advertising school, that great advertisement, nothing kills a product, bad product better than great advertising. Because if you drive a lot of traffic to a bad business, it will kill itself faster. So we got to be careful to open up these tools to only businesses that will genuinely take care of their customers. And I have some of the people that we work with now, they're killing it. And I think if you're out there and you have amazing business and you want to blow up fast, this is a great time. This is a great time to do it.
Very exciting.
So give us a call and let's go find out if we won that award or not.
Fingers crossed.
I hope so.
Best all-around advocacy and expertise in the Yelp platform, including results
Driven for and retention of clients on Yelp, engagement, Yelp Advertising Partner Program. We have 5 nominees. Our winner flew overnight to be here. Congratulations, HP.
I'm a little bit sleepy, like you said. Flew overnight here, and I have to thank my wife for letting me fly out here. We have our 5th big humor baby, and the fact that I'm here is at least now I can tell her it wasn't for nothing. Abby, thank you very much for letting me do this. I want to thank everybody. I want to thank, first of all, the Yelp team, Kelly. You've built an amazing partner program. It's been an unbelievable journey. I'm a Yelper first before I became a partner. I love Yelp. I've been using Yelp for finding local businesses. Then I created a business and put it on Yelp. And we've grown our company this way, and we've always been Yelp first. And I'm excited to be part of this big family. We have Megan that's been helping us tremendously. Jolene, unbelievable how every step of the way she's done everything for us. Everybody on the Yelp team, Chris with the API program. We've spent over 2 years building also API integration that we'd love to share with everybody. And it's been a lot of personal investments that I paid. I never borrow money for businesses, and put all of my eggs in this basket. And I really hope that we're gonna have tremendous growth together. Like it's been mentioned before, we're all together, one big team, sharing resources, sharing knowledge, and sharing motivation to grow. and I'm excited. And lastly, I want to thank all of our 3Media team. Thank you to all my managers in the company. That's been just tremendous. It's always a team effort. You can never do it by yourself. Thank you.
I think the support that Yelp gives is unparalleled to all other digital advertising platforms like Meta or Google. It feels like a big family.
Dimitri, I see you have something in that box right in front of you. Do you mind sharing that?
Yes, I'm very happy to unbox our new trophy, Partner of the Year. This is our third award, but this is our biggest award. We first won Best Core Values, then we won Best in Innovation, and now we're just the best. Max, you have quite a badge this year. I think you might have the longest badge.
Someone told me I look like a general.
Yeah.
Excellent dinner, celebrating success. What was your favorite thing?
The company.
Mine too. Sushi was nice and the
The
wine
food is
was even
replaceable,
better.
the company's not.